Now, coming to the next point, rationalize institutional architecture. A new vision and architecture for higher education has been envisaged with large, well-resourced, vibrant, multidisciplinary institutions. Higher education institutions will be transformed into large multidisciplinary universities, colleges, and higher education institution clusters or knowledge hubs, each of which will aim to have 3,000 or more students. A university will mean a multidisciplinary institution of higher learning that offers undergraduate and graduate programs with high quality teaching, research, and community engagement. The definition of university will allow a spectrum of institutions that range from research intensive universities, teaching intensive universities, and autonomous degree granting colleges. The system of affiliation will be phased out over 15 years and stage-wise mechanism for granting graded autonomy to colleges through a transparent system of graded accreditation will be established. Over a period of time, it is envisaged that every college would develop into either an autonomous degree granting college or a constituent college of a university. Now the next point is National Research Foundation, that is NRF. A new entity will be set up to catalyze and expand research and innovation across the country. The overarching goal of the NRF will be to enable a culture of research in the country to permeate through our universities, helping to develop a culture of research in the country through suitable incentives for and recognition of outstanding research and by undertaking major initiatives to seed and grow research at state universities and other public institutions where research capability is currently limited. The NRF will competitively fund research in all disciplines. Successful research will be recognized and where relevant implemented through close linkage with governmental agencies as well as with industry and private organizations. Now, the next point is financial support for students. Efforts will be made to incentivize the merit of students belonging to SC, ST, OBC and other ACDs. The National Scholarship Portal will be expanded to support, foster and track the progress of students receiving scholarships. Private higher educations will be encouraged to offer larger number of free ships and scholarship to their students. Now the next point is open and distance learning. Open and distance learning will be expanded, thereby playing a significant role in increasing the gross enrollment ratio to 50%. Measures such as online courses and digital repositories, funding for research, improved student services, credit-based recognition of MOOCs, etc. will be taken to ensure it is at par with the highest quality in class programs. Internationalization of education will be facilitated through both institutional collaborations and student and faculty mobility, and allowing entry of top world ranked university to open campuses in our country. And the last point is motivated, energy and capable faculties. NEP 2020 recognizes that the success of higher education institutions is the quality and engagement of its faculty. Higher education institutions will have clearly defined, independent and transparent process and criteria for faculty recruitment. Faculty will be given the freedom to design their own curricular and pedagogical approaches within the approved framework. Excellence will be further incentives through appropriate to rewards, promotions, recognitions, and movement into institutional leadership. Faculty not delivering on basic norms will be held accountable.